Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. You look cheerful this morning.
Thank you. I had a good cup of coffee, that's why.
Ah, coffee does wonders. Are you a coffee person or tea person?
Definitely coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Same here. Black coffee, no sugar for me.
Wow, strong choice. I prefer mine with milk and a little sugar. What's your name?
My name's Ethan. What's yours?
I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you, Ethan.
Nice to meet you too, Olivia. Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles. What about you?
I'm from New York City.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit New York.
You should. It's busy, loud, but full of life.
Sounds like LA, just with taller buildings.
That's true. Where do you live now?
I still live in LA, near the beach.
That sounds amazing. I live in Brooklyn. Not quite the beach, but cozy enough.
So, how old are you?
I'm 25. You?
I'm 27. Not a big difference.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer. I work for a tech startup.
That's awesome. I'm a nurse at a local hospital.
Wow, that's admirable. Must be challenging but rewarding.
It is. Long hours, but I love helping people.
I respect that. I sit in front of a computer all day. You save lives.
Both are important in different ways.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. How about you?
I have two sisters, one older, one younger.
That must have been fun growing up.
It was chaos, but fun chaos.
I can imagine. My brother and I fight a lot, but we're close. Do you like to travel?
Absolutely. I love exploring new countries.
Same here. What's your favorite destination so far?
Probably Italy. The food is incredible.
Oh, yes. Italian food is my favorite too. Pasta, pizza, gelato, everything.
Exactly. What about you?
I'd say Japan. I love the culture, food, and how clean everything is.
I've always wanted to go there. Maybe we should plan a trip someday.
That would be fun. Speaking of food, what's your favorite dish?
Sushi, definitely.
I love pizza. Simple, but perfect.
I could live on sushi and never get bored.
You and my cat would get along. She loves fish.
Wait, you have a cat?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
That's cute. I have a golden retriever named Max.
Oh, dogs are amazing. I grew up with one too.
Max is like my best friend. He waits for me every day after work.
That's so sweet. I think pets make life happier.
Totally agree.
What do you do in your free time?
I love painting and photography. You?
I enjoy reading, hiking, and watching movies.
That's nice. Any favorite book?
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, it changed my outlook on life.
Oh, that's one of my favorites too. I love its message about dreams.
Wow, we already have similar tastes.
Seems like it.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I like pop and jazz. You?
I'm into rock and country.
That's cool. Any favorite artist?
Maybe Ed Sheeran. His songs hit different.
I love his music too. Perfect is my all-time favorite.
Classic. Can you play any instruments?
I can play the piano a little. You?
I play guitar.
Oh, really? That's impressive.
Not really. I just know a few songs.
You should play for me someday.
Deal. But only if you play the piano first.
We'll see about that.
So what's your dream job?
I'd love to open my own art studio someday.
That's awesome. I'd like to start my own tech company.
That sounds exciting and ambitious.
Yeah, maybe one day I'll make an app that helps artists like you.
That would be amazing. Maybe we'll end up working together.
Who knows? The future is full of surprises. Do you like to go out or stay in?
Depends on the day. Sometimes I love going out with friends, but other times I just want a quiet night at home.
Same here. I love cozy movie nights with snacks.
Oh, same. What's your favorite movie?
Probably The Notebook. I'm a sucker for romantic movies.
I can tell. I like action movies more, but I don't mind a good love story.
That's sweet. So if we watch a movie together, we'll have to find a balance.
Deal. One action, one romance.
What's your favorite holiday?
Definitely Christmas. I love the lights, decorations, and music.
Me too. It's such a cozy and joyful time.
Do you spend it with family?
Always. We cook, laugh, and play board games. You?
Same. My mom makes the best Christmas cookies.
You're making me hungry already.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love basketball. You?
I enjoy tennis and swimming.
That's awesome. I'm terrible at tennis, though.
I can teach you sometime.
Only if you promise not to laugh when I miss every ball.
No promises.
Do you like to dance?
A lot. I go to Zumba classes on weekends.
That sounds fun. I'm a terrible dancer, though.
Oh, maybe I can teach you someday.
Deal. But don't expect miracles.
Everyone can dance. You just need confidence.
Then I'll need a double dose of that.
So, what's something you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Maybe skydiving? It's on my bucket list. You?
I'd love to go on a solo backpacking trip across Europe.
That sounds amazing. I admire that spirit.
Thanks. Maybe we'll cross paths in Europe someday.
Or jump out of a plane together.
One adventure at a time, please.
This has been such a fun conversation.
I agree. It's rare to meet someone so easy to talk to.
Same here. We have a lot in common.
Maybe we should grab coffee sometime. Real coffee, not virtual.
I'd love that.
Great. It's a date then. Well, a friendly coffee date.